Thick Smoothie Bowls, 14-ounce Smoothie Bowl Maker with built-in tamper blends and powers through frozen foods with less liquid for perfectly thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream. Smooth Nutrient Extractions, 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup with better breakdown for smoother extractions, smoothies, and frozen drinks, versus BL 480. Extractor drink containing vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. SMARTTORQUE Technology, powerful 1200 peak watt power dense motor that powers through heavy loads without stalling or the need to stir or shake. 6 versatile functions, 6 programs for one-touch blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads. Auto IQ Technology, take the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. Easy to clean base and blender with dishwasher-safe parts. 2 blenders in 1, 2 single-serve blending options with a nutrient extraction cup and smoothie bowl maker in just 1 motor base. Easy storage and portability, 2 blender cups and 1 bowl are easy to take on the go or store. To-go cups with lids included. Recipe inspiration, includes 15 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. What's included: 1200 peak watt motor base, hybrid edge blades, 24-ounce Ninja nutrient extraction cups with spout lids, 14-ounce Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker with storage lid, and recipe inspiration guide. Top reviews from the United States. Very worthwhile purchase. I have a family member with major health problems associated with his digestive system. We were thinking smoothies would be a good way to give him the nutrition he needs, so I started shopping. This smoothie maker is excellent. I make 8 to 10 smoothies every day. It never falters, doesn't jam, and does an excellent job. I noticed previous reviews complained about how loud it is, but for the product you get, 1 minute of intermittent noise is easily tolerated. I also purchased additional tumblers so I can make multiple smoothies for a full day of food. Even though I don't need new blending blades, I'm going to purchase one of those too in the event I wear it out. Excellent quality and money well spent.